Every 15 days, the RGBD sensor and LiDAR should be cleaned with soft tissue paper or other lens cleaning supplies to prevent sensor blocking and robot malfunction. Cleaning parts need to be cleaned regularly, sweeping or dust mopping mode. You can remove the side brush and clean up the tangled hair or other garbage stuck on it. You can remove the sweeping brushes and clean up the tangled hair or other trash. Please empty the trash from the trash box. Please clean the duct box in the wastewater tank. You can remove the scrubbing brushes and clean up the tangled hair or other trash stuck on them. Empty the trash from the trash box. Remove the squeegee for simple cleaning. Please clean up the garbage collected by the water filter box in the wastewater tank. Please empty and clean the wastewater tank every day. Carpet vacuuming mode. Remove the carpet vacuuming assemblies for simple cleaning. Take out the drain pipe from robot and put it into the floor drain or transfer basin. Enter the device status interface and click Manual Drain. Check the state of the wastewater tank and empty out the sewage. Use the water filler tube to add water. Check the scale as a clean water tank in the equipment status. Add water to the required volume. Open the protection cover. Hold the connector in place, press the metal buckle and push inward, and here's a bar sound to confirm the connection. Check the charging status on the interface. The CC1s can be fully charged in 3.5 hours. Unplug the charger when it is fully charged. Clean the electrodes once a week and keep them dried. The battery is replaceable